Hello guys, welcome to today's video, and in this video I want to give you a short update about Dr. X. Alright, so Dr. X made this post only 17 days to DRX glory and you are wasting it on viral dances. Hey, what does this people mean? I don't know you anymore. What does this people really mean? For latest update, join our live meme army chat and spam on Telegram, which they recently dropped the link, right? So they say 17 days remaining for Dr. X to get launched, but right now there's a KYC process that you have to complete. Once you open your Dr. X mining, you will see the KYC will pop up. Then complete that KYC step by step. I'll be posting video about it, so let me even fix it with this video. Let's go and see how you can complete this. So in case the video I will post you didn't see it till the end, you can follow through the procedure and complete this Dr. X KYC. Alright, so the listing of Dr. X is very near, so the deadline is close. Remain 17 days. I'm advising you right now to mine Dr. X very well. Like the way we earn from ICE network, this is how we are going to earn from Dr. X, because this mining are all from the same source. I will see you guys in the next video. If there's any update, I will give you back to back. So let's see how to complete this KYC. Let's go. So guys, let's complete Dr. X KYC. All right, so it has been long I mined this Dr. X, but right now they're showing me KYC. So let's complete this KYC. You tap on this place and mark it, then you come to continue. You tap on continue. All right, I confirm that the identity I'm using for this authentication will be the only one associated with this account, and this choice cannot be changed. Later, continue. Then you tap on continue. Search your country. My country is Nigeria. Then I tap on Nigeria. Then I continue. Right, so this is it right here. KYC guidelines. Before proceeding, please follow these guidelines for successful KYC phase authentication. Make sure you have a high quality video, have a good lighting, have a clear background, no dark photos, no blurry or foggy videos, clean camera lens. If you don't follow the guidelines above, you might lose access to your account. All right, so you have to be careful while doing this. Then you mark right here. I confirm that I will follow the criteria. Then you tap. Let's continue with the KYC. All right, camera permission. To continue, please allow access to camera. Then you allow the access to your camera. The site can't ask for your permission. Then so if you are having problem with this, you have to go to your settings and allow this access. All right, which is very important. Then you do your face video, as simple as that. This is the only way to do KYC on Dr. X. So if you're having any problem, you can contact me or drop a comment below of this video. So for you to allow access of the camera to your own Dr. X, you come to app management, go to settings, come to app management, then you tap on settings. Right, you scroll down. All right, you come to camera, you tap on camera, then you scroll down. All right, so these are the ones that are yet to be allowed. Then you tap on this, then you allow. All right, as simple as that. Then you go back, to the app. Come back to the app. Let's do it again. Let's run the KYC again. You tap on this. As simple as this. Again, you are doing the same thing. All right, you are doing the same thing. you tap here, you're doing the same thing like I followed. This is how you can go through your KYC.